Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick update video, kind of explain what's going on. I've gotten some people emailing me, asking me about videos and, hey, what's going on with the videos? Well, let me kind of explain. As you can tell, I've been working on some circuits and behind the scenes, but I'm in Wisconsin and it's getting cold pretty quickly and pretty fast. My little GMRS shack is the camper that I did the video on. And yes, the camper does have a furnace, but it being a camper, it doesn't hold the heat real well, obviously. And I don't know how often I will fire up the furnace to heat it up to do any type of, whether it's circuit building or videos or anything like that. I'm not saying I won't do any videos. I just won't be doing as many as often like I did in the spring and summer. So I'd like to explain that reason why that is going to happen. So that's one thing I'd like to point out. The other thing too, I get asked in the email, and I'll post my email address down below, so if you have questions or suggestions on videos and whatnot, but I'll post that down below. But another thing I get asked too is, what about that bluff video? If you've been following my channel, back in April, I believe it was, I want to put a temporary repeater on a bluff that's about 590 feet above the city. And I took that trailer and I did the videos, I did the rack, and I did all that stuff. And I have not done part 2. And to be honest, summer kind of got a little away from me a little bit faster than I thought. So that's kind of one reason why that video didn't happen. Another thing I'm going to try to do before I lug a trailer up there and all my gear and do all this, I'm going to try to find out. I believe there's a couple ham repeaters up there on the bluff. Yes, I know ham's a different frequency. Yes, I know they can run more wattage. But I want to try to get a hold of a ham operator to see. The bluff is a couple towns over from me. So I don't want, if I'm going to put a repeater there, I don't want to put it there if I can't hit it from my house, because that kind of defeats the purpose. I kind of want to hit the repeater that I put up. So I got to find out if I can get a hold of any ham people. If they can kind of give me a general idea. Oh yeah, we can go this far away, and then I'll kind of have an idea. Oh well, geez, you can only go this far, and you're running 100 watts. Just for an example. Well, geez, that tells me. Oh, I don't know. So that's kind of why I want to kind of try to get in touch with the ham, because I really don't want to lug up a trailer and all the gear up there and find out I can't even hit it from where I live. Like I said, it's a couple towns over, so it's not like it's real close. So I'm going to try to do that during the winter, try to hopefully get in touch with someone about that. And if they say, if all goes well and, I sound like I should be able to, then I'll go ahead and obviously it's spring or summer, I will make the other video part 2 with that, with the bluff. So I just want to point that out. I haven't forgotten. Summer kind of got away a little bit fast on me. So I have to mention that. The other thing too, I like to mention, I've had people ask me, what happened to my Retevis RT97 repeater? It's apart. I did that one video that I was really close. I'm having a hard time finding the transmit line so I can get it to key up. I tried that secret switch that did not do what I wanted to do. That secret switch is only for the final output circuit It dead keys, and that lets them adjust probably the power output on the repeater. It don't even transmit on a frequency. It just dead keys. So I tried that secret switch, hoping that would have been, but that wasn't it. I've been in talks with Retevis. They can't give me the schematic of the repeater because it's like a trade secret. But I've been in talks with them, and they're, hey, try this, try that, try this. So we'll see if I can come up with something. Obviously, if I do, I'll make a video. I'm close. I think I just need that PTT, and I think I got it. So if something comes about that, I will obviously make a video of that. So I'd like to mention that because I get asked that. Also, too, if you want to suggest a video, you can email me and maybe make a suggestion. I will post the email address in the description down below. No, of course, I only have so much equipment here. As you saw in my videos, I got handhelds, I got the repeater, I got the amplifier, I got the VNA analyzer. So as long as it's something that I have here that you want to see a video on, let me know. You can email me. As long as it's not something that I don't have. So, obviously you can't email me and ask me, well, what about a Motorola repeater model, blah, blah, blah. Well, I don't have that, so I can't obviously do a video on that. But if it's something that I have, I'll be glad to try to do a video to help you with any questions you may have. So feel free to email me on that. Another thing, too, is I do try to answer emails as fast as I can. Sometimes, like anything else, you get busy with life and you don't get to the emails as fast as I would like. But I try to. So just be patient. I try to answer them. Other than that, that's really about it. So, like I said, I'll still do some videos, but there won't be as many due to the coldness. And I can do some videos in the house, obviously, but I really don't want to lug in all the gear to do a 20-minute video, depending on what video I'm doing, of course. So, but I will try to do some throughout the winter, so just be patient. At any rate, I hope that helps answer some of the questions. And if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you, and have a good day.